Hi everyone, I'm Cyrus Claffey, the founder of ButterflyMX, the creator of the Smart Intercom. I want to welcome you to our global headquarters here in New York City. I'm really excited to talk to you today about ButterflyMX. Thanks to the smartphone, we now live in a world of convenience where access to anything is just a tap away. Unfortunately, that's not the case for building access. At ButterflyMX, however, we're changing that. Our goal is to provide secure, convenient, and affordable property access from a smartphone. For us, it all begins at the front of the building. So I thought it'd be nice to meet you at the entryway of our building and show you our flagship product, the Smart Intercom. In this commercial application, our Smart Intercom is used to provide building access for the over 200 people who work in our 13-story office building. It's also used to manage visitor access for those coming to make deliveries or for meetings. While I'm not going to do a full product demo right now, you can visit the link below to watch a video that explains all the features that come standard with our Smart Intercom. Now, I'm going to swipe myself into the building and we'll head on upstairs. Our building has an unattended lobby, so for added security, our owner decided to install key fob elevators. While this is obviously more secure when there's no one in the lobby to check credentials, it's inconvenient for tenants who need to come downstairs to greet their visitors in order to get them up to their floor. To solve this problem, we installed our elevator controls. This means whenever a tenant grants access to a visitor to get into the building, our Smart Intercom automatically unlocks the elevator temporarily for the floor that the tenant is on. So now, when a visitor gets into the building, they can simply get into the elevator and up to the tenant's floor without the tenant having to come down to greet them. Welcome to our floor. You'll see to my left, we've installed a 7-inch indoor version of the ButterflyMX Smart Intercom. This is designed for opening doors inside buildings. It's worth mentioning, regardless of the size of our Smart Intercom, they all have the same functionality. We've installed this 7-inch indoor version for an added layer of convenience as well as access control for our office. If you're a ButterflyMX employee, you can use your smartphone or your unique 4-digit PIN in order to gain access to the office. Or if you're a visitor, you can use the directory in order to look up the office manager or one of the employees you're there to see. If you were sent a virtual key before coming to the building, you can use that virtual key to gain access to the front entrance as well as to the office when you get off the elevator. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my phone and place it on the intercom in order to gain access to our office. Welcome to our office. This is where more than 50 people work in operations, hardware development, support, sales, and marketing. Globally, there are more than 100 people who work at ButterflyMX in 4 different offices, including our European headquarters in Croatia. Up on the wall, you see some of our older models and the progress we've made developing the Smart Intercom. Thanks for coming to our office today. We've grown tremendously over the past 5 years thanks to our customers and our employees. What started out as just an idea is now installed in over 4,000 buildings and 400,000 units. We have many new products and services planned for the years ahead that are designed to fundamentally change the way people gain access to their building as well as interact with it. I'd like to thank you again for spending some time with us. If you'd like to learn more about ButterflyMX, please visit our website at butterflymx.com, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you again.